Hello lovely people, you welcome to Dr. Rose's kitchen. So today's recipe is tilapia and some dry fish light soup. You guys, let's get started. Alright, so let's go through the ingredients. Okay, I have my vegetables, tomatoes, onions, garden egg, okra, and then I have tomato paste, blended garlic and ginger, soaked tolo beef and kobe, and then marinated tilapia and dry fish. Okay, so I've washed everything very raw. So as you can see, I'm putting everything in the pot before I'll transfer it on the fire. Okay, so the video is very detailed. So this is the blended garlic and ginger. Then I'll go ahead and add my vegetables, seasoning cube, water, chopped onions, okra, tomato paste. Alright, so I'm taking it on the stove. So I forgot pepper, so I added the pepper to it. Alright guys, so I'll blend the vegetables off camera, okay, and get back very soon. Okay, so we are adding our marinated tilapia. So it's cooked for about 30 minutes and voila, it's ready. Guys, you all invited. Okay, do this recipe and thank me later. It is so nice and it takes so try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. My name is Dr. Rosie. Please subscribe, like and comment. Okay, see you next time. I'm bringing you another amazing video. Bye bye. Enjoy.